Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage investment diversification with State Street, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of investment diversification. Recognize that diversification can help reduce risk and enhance potential returns. Familiarize yourself with the concept of asset allocation. Identify various asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Research State Street's investment products and services. Visit State Street's website to explore their offerings. Consider utilizing their exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, for diversified exposure. Review the fund's performance history and investment strategy. Assess your own investment goals and risk tolerance. Determine the percentage of your portfolio you wish to allocate to different asset classes. Create a diversified portfolio by combining multiple investments. Monitor market conditions and economic indicators regularly. Adjust your asset allocation as needed based on market changes and personal goals. Utilize State Street's research tools and resources for ongoing education. Consider consulting with a financial advisor if needed. Stay informed about global market trends that may affect your investments. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired levels of diversification. Invest for the long term, keeping in mind that diversification is a continuous process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.